so bright. I'd like to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. But as always, all the views and opinions in this video are my own. Today we're taking a look at this HYCHIKA work lamp. And while we're not doing any work, we're still getting the idea, because this isn't even pointed at me or the tent. It's just pointed at the ground. This reflection is enough to light up the tent. Just enough. Just perfect. If I were to face this up, let's actually face it up. I want to see. I'm curious. I'm not looking at it.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Wow.
Ow.
That's really bright. I can only imagine working on something at night, like a motorcycle. This would come in handy. Handy dandy. And it's got multiple adjustments here. So you've got the adjustment for the light, but you've also got the adjustment for the feet. All you have to do is just twist this, loosen it up a little bit, just like that. So you can have it however you want it, which is actually pretty cool.
You can't even look over there anymore.
It's nice though. It's quite nice.
Are you warming your foot?
No, you just gotta block the light from your eyes. But I mean, it's lighting up the entire tent, the entire house, and probably gonna distract some planes in the sky. So make sure not to point this too much at the sky. Yep, that's lighting up the whole dang tent.